My name is Hamilton. What I liked about the workshop is that the delivery was so good, everything was clear, the material that we've received is so useful, and all the questions which I had on how to start a recruitment business were answered. The information at the tips of his fingers. He knows the business, he knows the delivery. I've been all over the world, all over the places, looking for places where I can actually have guidance. I haven't done this before, but what I've seen is that with Joe, I'll be able to establish my recruitment agency. I will have the confidence behind me, ahead of me as I go forward, and I'll be able to do exactly what I have chosen to do. One thing I liked about him is he's quite flexible. I would recommend this to people who are driven by a desire to advance themselves and more. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to put their mind into recruitment and who wants to help others, who is generous and charitable. I would recommend them to Joe. Why I've decided to join a recruitment business is that I've worked for a recruitment agency myself. So I see myself potentially sufficient to actually start my own thing and grow in the business. And I've got the drive, I've got the desire, I've got the will, and I've got the foresight and vision to actually do my own recruitment agency.